In this video, we are going to be looking at the eyedropper tool, which is used to select colors and styles within Adobe Illustrator. The tool can be used to select a color or style from any object or image within your document. To start, let's look at how we could create a quick color palette using this image that I dropped in over here of this beach and ocean scene. First, I'll select the object that I would like to color, in this case, this square. Then, I'll go down here to my eyedropper tool, or press I on my keyboard to bring up the tool. I'll go over here and I'll click on the part of the image that contains the color I want, in this case this deep blue. As you can see, it's going to select that color and fill my square with it. I'll go ahead, select my next square, and then I'll select this teal color down here. Select my third square, go back, select the sand. And here we've just created a very quick color palette. You can also select the colors of other objects. For example, if I wanted to match this square to this color, I could select this square, use my eyedropper tool, click on that original teal color square, and now I've duplicated that color onto this object. The eyedropper tool will also copy any styles that an object has. For example, if I gave this square here a stroke, let's make that 5 points. And then if I were to select this square here, bring my eyedropper tool back out, click on this square with the stroke, not only will it copy the color of this square, but it will also copy that 5-point stroke. The eyedropper tool also works with text. For example, if I wanted to change this word to this deep blue color, I can select that text, bring in my eyedropper tool by pressing I on the keyboard, and select this square. And now it will sample this square to make this word the same color. The same thing applies with styles. If I were to select this square, it will apply that 5-point stroke around my text. Obviously that's a little bit too thick, so I could go up here, make that 1 point, and now I've got an outline text that matches the colors in this square. If you're using the eyedropper tool and use it over another piece of type, it will not only copy the color of that type, but it will also copy the font and font family. For example, if I were to click on this other piece of type here, as you can see, it changes that original word to match this one down here. Finally, if you're working on a graphic or illustration that is using paths, like these down here, and you want to match their line weight, you can select your first path, bring up your eyedropper tool, click on the path of the desired weight, and now those lines will share the same weight. The eyedropper tool is a very helpful tool and one that you'll use a lot. It's great for doing everything from making color palettes, using images, or unifying everything within your artwork.